Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to go for your clock. And here we got the default alarms, so I'm going to activate one of them. After that you can of course customize it. We can change the time. We can set up the repeat, change the sound. You can turn on, turn off or turn on the vibration. You can of course change the label. You can set it up as a reminder. Of course, the ring duration, it's very important. And the snooze, I think the most important thing after the ring duration. So I recommend you to set it up like that. And after that, if you finish the setup, you have to click on the right upper corner to confirm, and here we got our clock for our alarm clock. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.